sprints out right here for the window washer.
That's so cool, man. Exactly like your car. Dude. Exactly the same color, man. I want this thing. Man.
I need this. Literally this car, this color. Gotta go search.
Damn. I need to save this thing. Oh, I really need to save this car. He's had it for 4 years, right? You said?
Yep.
4 years. CV axles are so massive. Did you see those axles, man? These cars are like built with like quality, man. They're so massive and stuff. Oh my gosh. That's pretty cool. Coupe, 2-door. Alright guys, we did some photo shoot of the cars and we're ready to head back. The reason why we came here is because of this awesome W123 street, as you guys can notice. That's why. Now we're heading back. Yeah, I'll go. You want to go first or me? I'll go first. Oh my gosh, that turbo is awesome. Oh my gosh, what else you need in your life than just an amazing 123. Love this car, man. That.
My new baby.
Yeah, man, this is sweet.
Shit.
This thing is awesome, dude. You got the tow hitch too.
It's not that bad, dude.
Yeah, it's a stick shift too, man. This thing is awesome. I love the hubcaps too, man.
That's nice.
Sorry, video time. More content. Oh man, this is awesome.
This hole's actually not that bad, bro.
I'm telling you, you're gonna fall in love with this thing. Look at the seats. They're so old school. Great condition too. This green, like leather, like it's just like so rare, man. Literally.
Damn, dude.
Like
Nice
green on
shit.
green, man.
Alright, dude.
Cool.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
So now it should be good. Feels good now. It's not rubbing against this. Yeah, man, this thing's sweet. Green interior. That's like really rare. 79. Yeah. Yeah. Just come over here. Just tell me how it feels now. Feels okay?
Yeah, feels smooth.
You wanna try going back and forth, practice a little?
Sure.
It's up to you. I mean, if you have time, but if you're talking about the manual transmission, so. But it's pretty rare, man. I mean, like car like this with a 5-cylinder engine, the diesel and the manual trans, that's a steal, man. Pretty much. Yeah, man. All girls are gonna be yours.
A few moments later.
Man, the tires are like brand new as well, pretty much. Sweet. Wow, you got the suspension was rebuilt too. Yeah, it's got new like shock absorbers, control arms, as far as I see for now. 10. Okay, good. All right, so hold on. Yeah, now you're in neutral, so you can release the clutch. Nothing is gonna happen, so release it. See, no, it's not doing anything because you're in neutral. Okay. So you're good. Now, press the clutch in and hold the brake pedal at the same time. Now, take this off, remove your parking brake, and then put this first to your first gear. There you go, you're in first now. Now, if you, let's say you let off the brake pedal now, it's gonna start rolling a little bit.
One eternity later.
Okay, see, it changed like the RPMs. Okay, leave it there and then start like releasing the brake pedal. Release the brake pedal. See, it starts rolling backwards. And now you just gotta give it some fuel lightly and release the clutch a little bit slowly. See, you're kind of getting it, yeah. Shaking like crazy, it's about to stall, just press the clutch in, you know, so it doesn't stall. So that's the point, kind of. You basically, the manual trans, the way it works is you're controlling like clutch pedal and gas pedal at the same time. Release the brake pedal and then give it some fuel. See, it goes faster like that. Yeah. Now press the See how it works? Not bad, right? Good thing, just make sure you like check your, you know how to check the engine oil level, right? On these?
No.
Okay, here's your dipstick, okay? Just check it periodically, just in case if it needs topped off. So you only do it when the engine is like off and not running. So you pull this, you have a rag or something, you wipe it off with the rag, and then this is right here is your minimum point, and this is your maximum. So the oil has to be somewhere here in between. So when you check it,
Oh,
it's in the middle, see?
Yeah.
So you might want to add sometime soon. I like to keep it right here, all the way to the max, you know?
Okay.
And for these engines and these cars, you have to use, I mean, you can add like whatever oil, but it's the best to use a thick oil, like 15W40.
15W40?
Yeah, on these, because they like thick oil actually, and thick oil is a lot better than any other oil. Yeah, that's pretty cool, man. Belts are pretty good too. Yeah, they took care of this thing. That's good. Then lower it.
I don't think it has water for the windshield.
Windshield washer?
Yeah.
That's your windshield washer right here.
Oh, what? Okay.
Okay, hold on. We can check that real quick. Can you just turn the key on and let's check if you have water or whatever. You know how to like turn. Oh wait, your steering wheel is locked. That's why. See, if it's locked like this, you gotta like wiggle it. Just don't break the key in. So just try wiggle the key. Just wiggle the key and this at the same time.
Okay.
It works. Let me see. There you go. You see?
Yeah.
All right. Just turn the ignition on. You know how to activate the washer system? Nope. Not at all.
How?
You're brand new to Mercedes, I can tell.
Yeah. Oh, right.
See what happened?
Holy shit.
Damn, this thing came off like nothing, man. Well, I guess it's gonna be an easy fix now. Just gotta take this guy off. Let's see. Nah, not so much, just warm. Oh yeah. Oh well, it happens. All of a sudden, boom. Yeah, this thing was like dragging. Shit.
Fuck, dude, this shit just snapped.
Hey, it's okay, man. Maybe your exhaust will sound cooler now.
You think?
I don't know. Let's see. Press it.
Could it still drive even without it?
Huh?
Could it still drive even without it?
Yeah, why not, bro? It's just exhaust.
A few moments later.
Oh shit, she's a little one. We'll see what we can do about that. But now, we're not gonna have that noise anymore. Like, you know?
Oh fuck, so like what's gonna happen now?
What do you mean what's gonna happen? Nothing, it's still there. It's holding, you see? It's just the muffler is just gone, that's it. But it's still there, bro. Okay, we'll figure something out. Probably need to weld another piece to it.
Yeah.
You know, see what we can do. So no big deal, you know?
Yeah.
Right now it's not gonna be rattling now though, which is good. They have this thing too. It looks like, yeah, this is kind of cool. Like you can haul a trailer and stuff. That's pretty cool, man.
Yeah.
Okay. It just sucks the. You gotta try to find the cover for this thing.
Cover?
So yeah, so it doesn't rust, doesn't corrode. Cause see how it's exposed?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got the key, right?
Yeah.
Close this thing. Damn. Well, I probably felt it was gonna happen at some point because it was holding up like barely, you know.
I wouldn't know what to do.
He would be like, "What is this thing sticking out here? What the heck?
What the?
Is that a custom thing? Or what is that? You know?"
Is that a new feature?
Yeah, is that the feature?
Fuck, man.
Nah, no worries, man. Gotta love diesels. You know, they're the best cars ever.
I don't hear it no more.
Yeah, you don't hear the rattle. Yeah, that's what it was. It was that rattle.
Sounds like a normal car now.
Yeah, right? All right, make sure there's nobody.
Yeah, we're good.
That's good. That was, yeah, I should have put it a different way in the trunk, but it's gonna be fine. It's gonna probably like bang a little in there.
It's all good.
Sweet.
What?
Nah, there's people People are crazy, man.
What the